My house is about 30 years old, and when it was built, it had retaining walls, and they came down a couple of years ago. They just started rotting, and I still worried about the quality of the soil. And during isolation, I wanted to grow vegetables, so I did some Googling and some research and decided not to grow anything until I had the soil tested. Now I've transplanted everything into my freshly composted garden beds. I think the program is amazing. Without VegeSafe, I wouldn't have felt confident.
Hi, my name's Phillip and I live in a little old weatherboard house which was built about 100 years ago. I was concerned about the lead coming off the timber, the paint, and perhaps something coming off the corrugated iron as well. So I decided to have the soil examined, which showed it was high in lead. I then just need to move my vegetables away from the area of contamination, and I decided to use new soil in a raised bed arrangement. For smaller plants and seedlings, I've got a raised pod. This has got new soil in it, and it's good for controlling moisture as well.
DustSafe came on much later, and I thought it'd be a good idea to follow on and see what was happening there. That was a big surprise to me because a lot of trace metals or heavy metals were very, very high in my analysis. I've been trying to vacuum more often, just more recently the air purifier.
We used to have a lot of veggie gardens running all the way around our yard, but after doing the VegeSafe area and finding out it was very high in lead and zinc, we've made some changes. As you can see, this area, growing some stuff in some boxes, added a veggie pod, and we changed to a raised garden bed. This area here where we used to also grow vegetables was very high in lead, which was mainly coming off the roof of the shed. So we just turned that into a full-time garden area. We mulch everything so that we don't have to turn over the soil, increasing the dust level. Indoor area, we have added our mats. All our shoes that we use when we work outside are all placed inside so we don't walk them inside the area. So I've found the two programs very informative and very positive, help us make changes to our area and make us more aware of what's in our environment. And I thoroughly recommend anyone else that needs to know a bit more about it to contact them and do the test.